Dill, your grandson?
Hang on, let me unlock it. You never know how safe it is around here.
Come on in!
Hey, Grandma.
Hey!
I'll bake you some cookies, go sit. Fresh bakes. Here's your cookies. You can have as many as you want.
Thanks for the cookies, Grandma.
I have to talk to you about something, and the thing is this.
Oh gosh, is that my report card?
No, it's
Grandma,
not.
I did not want to do learning time.
It's not your report card.
I don't want to do learning time.
You don't have to.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. If your grandma, he knows my name. We have your.
Okay, Grandma, just let me read this. Oh, gosh, you're terrible at reading. Dear Grandma, we have your cat. It is a rare, so we'll sell it on the black market, or you can pay us twice as much, $20 million, from Anonymous. And that is not the guy across the street. It's not your neighbor.
That's my neighbor.
No, it's not. So, what's your plan? What are we going to do about this?
My plan, okay, here. We're going to eat, I have some seeds. They're special seeds. They're like sunflower seeds. Yes, sunflower seeds. And when you eat them, you can go back in time. And when you go back in time, we'll catch the guy that took the cat. Like, you can, like, take a picture, do whatever you need to do, like record or something or whatever. What's it called?
I'll vlog it.
Yeah, whatever that is. And then we'll research him and find out where he is, and then we'll catch him.
That's the stupidest idea I've ever heard. But I got nothing to do all summer, so let's do it.
Oh yeah, I know, I told you.
My gosh!
Look, down. Yeah, this flags up.
I think I can see my house.
No, you can. I'm pretty sure you can.
Stop it, you can't get this.
Oh my god! Am I in a dream? No, I just woke up from a dream because I was dreaming and I just had the craziest dream. And I was in a dream and I woke up from the dream. Am I awake now? Oh my god, I had the weirdest dream. I'm getting a phone call. Oh man, this is the craziest dream. Oh man, I'm never gonna have those seeds again. Oh God. for you. Eat it. Eat your cookies. Eat them. Stop fighting. I work all day.
I worked too darn hard. You're stupid for people. You got a cookie on the door. It rolled over there and it bounced and it got a stain on the door.
I thought it was edible.